Hello and welcome to the AddMorePower Project. Today we have met up with a project partner from KAI. Please introduce yourself.
So my name is Olivia Pfeiler. I'm heading the data science team at KAI. KAI is a research center owned by Infineon Technologies Austria, and we are doing research in different fields, most of them related to reliability of semiconductor devices. And so we have physicists, electronic engineers, simulation experts, software experts in all kinds of fields that we need to assess the reliability of semiconductor devices. And me personally, I'm heading the data science team, as I said already. So we're conducting or evaluating data from different fields, from semiconductor industry, from manufacturing to R&D, and try to get insights in the data and foster data-driven decisions.
Thank you. And what's your role in this project?
I'm leading the data management and workflows, that's the right word, work package, and we're trying to bring fair data management and open data sharing to the community, which is ongoing already, and this is a dedicated work package to that.
Awesome. And what has been achieved so far?
Main achievements, so there are many actually, but so step by step. First, we had a lot of discussions with the partners, and we found out that we have quite a diversity in data that the different partners will gather, and they have different equipments and modeling techniques and so on. So we found out that we need quite a general solution. And then another main achievement was to identify this Nomad repository that we want to use to share our data within the consortium and also with the public. And we will now the next step is to try out how good this works in practice, how easily accessible is it super tedious or is it not tedious? Everybody working with data know that sometimes can be super tedious, and we want to have it as less tedious as possible. This will be the next step.
Okay, so what are the main challenges for this work package?
It's a challenge and excitement at the same time that somehow it's super important to have fair data management, but sometimes you need to convince people, right, that you have to make the first step, which is a bit of a high burden first to do that. But then if you reach it, then fair data management is super easy and super handleable and helps you to really dig into the data and get information out of it. But now we have to do these first steps and try out which is the right scenario and the right method framework we have to use.
Right, good point. So what's cool about this project for you?
For me, it's the first time that I'm working in one of these Horizon calls with a rather small consortium compared to larger projects that we are. And I think it's really cool to have I don't know if we're 9 or 10 partners, I'm not so sure, but doesn't matter, that you have really this close cooperation. You meet each other, you know each other, you work closely together, so when it's possible, and that you really know the whole consortium. That's really cool, because we are also in larger projects where you have 50 partners. Of course, you are in contact with them, but not as close as in this one. And that's cool, right? You really know what the others are doing.
Absolutely. So for a last question, what are you looking forward to in this project?
So currently there are many things going on, and I'm really looking forward to see when this all will converge, that all these results will come together and see, okay, what will be our final findings in this project. So this is currently, since I'm not the material science expert, of course, maybe for the material science expert this is more clear, but for me it's really interesting to see all these different things that are investigated and how they will then in the end form one vision.
Thank you. And for our audience, if you want to know more about this project, head over to addmorepower.eu.